Hi friends, now I'm going to discuss about the concept of update command in SQL. So now we will look into this with an example. So here I have a columns like ID, product name and quantity, right? So in the column of product name I have the data like electronics, clothing and sports. So here I want to replace this electronics with accessories. So for this I need to write an update query here. So we have the syntax like to write an update query, update, update and next we have to write a table name here. So coming to my table name, that is sales, right? Sales, update table name sales, and next we have to write like set and next we have to write the new name that replaces with electronics. Here I want to replace the electronics with accessories, right? So I'll be writing like set product name, product set product name set product name is equals to accessories, accessories set product name is equals to accessories, where id is equals to 1. So I want to replace the electronics with accessories, right? So here it is having like the id of electronics is 1. So I want to replace this electronics with accessories where id is equals to 1, where id is equals to 1. So it completes an update query. So when I execute this, so when I execute this, yeah, you can see one row affected here. So when I execute this select command, you can see the, yeah, you can see, right? In the place of electronics we can see the accessories here. So in this way we can update the data using update query. So this is all about this video, and thank you.